In today's video, I'll show you how to fix can format USB drive on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So just go to your this PC and in here you'll see your pen drive over here. If you cannot format it, what you have to do is just close this out. Go to your search and search for CMD. You'll find command prompt in the best matches. Just run this as administrator and give it permissions to run. And after that, I've got a list of commands in my notepad over here. As you can see, the first one is disk part. So just keep one on one side and another on another. Now to go with the first command, just copy it and paste it. Disk part, hit enter. As you can see, this part has been enabled. After that, you need to type in list space disk, hit enter. And as you can see every disk over here. Now, if I go to this PC again, my flash drive has 29 GB of storage. So I'm pretty sure it's disk 4. So you have to be sure like that. Find out the storage size and then match the size with this size. And then just type select disk and type the number which your disk is -4. So I'll type 4 and hit enter. Then it will write disk 4 is now selected. And after that, what you have to do is just type this attribute space disk space clear space read only. Just type this out, attributes space disk space clear space read only, and hit enter. It will say disk attributes cleared successfully. Then just type clean. And after that, it says disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Then type this to create a partition, which is create partition primary, and hit enter. And at the end, just type format fs equals to ntfs quick. This is gonna do a quick format on your flash drive and set the file system to ntfs, which is the best you can get. Just hit enter. Then just give it some time. It will take like 30 seconds to a minute or more depending on the speed of your flash drive. And after it has been done, it will say 100% completed and you will be able to use your flash drive without any error because it will be formatted then. As you can see, it says 100% has been completed. This part successfully formatted the volume. You can minimize all this and just go to this PC. And in here, you'll see your USB flash drive and you can use it if you want. It has been formatted for you. But even after that, if you're facing error, what to do is just right click on it. Then just go to show more options. Then go to properties. Then just go to tools. And from here, you will find error checking. In here, this option will check the drive for file system errors. Just click on check. And just click on scan and repair the drive and give it some time. It will scan and repair the file drive for you if there's any problem. But mine says your drive was successfully scanned. No problems were found. So nothing to fix. If yours has problem, it will fix it. Just give it some time. It will fix it for you. Then just close everything and restart and hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically, that is how to fix can format USB flash drive on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.